check it out. Wow, cool. So let's try again. Wow, wow, guys, this is a very cool plan. Wow, almost like a boomerang. So let me go over here. Let me go over here and try to boomerang it. Wow, wow, wow. This is my new beloved boomerang plan. Wow. Hello guys, welcome to 3Day channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design, and I hope you guys will enjoy making and flying this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Now, let me show you guys the first step to fold the plane. By the way, to fold this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you do not have US letter size paper, that is fine. Just fold it. Just fold it with a A4 paper. Just regular printing A4 paper. This should work very well. First step, let's fold the paper in half as we usually do for every paper airplane. Okay. Flatten the paper down. Alright. Unfold the paper. Now you have the center crease. Use this center crease to fold both sides of this upper edge to the center crease. I fold this side first, and I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Next step, let me flip the paper over. Now I will start from this tip upward straight to the end of this crease. Curve the paper and fold this. Alright, and I press the paper down. Okay, on the following step, I will turn the paper this way so I can fold the next step easier. Let me place the paper at the center of the camera. Okay, now it is here and you can see the full piece of paper. I will start from this upper tip again and fold to the center crease. Unfold the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, now let me press down the paper again. Okay, so this is what I have. On the following step, let me fold this upper part of the paper to the other side and press this down. Okay, let me press this down. Okay, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, stick it, fold this part to the other side. Okay, so this is what we have. On the following step, I fold this part of the paper up like this. Okay, and I start from this edge, I fold to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Fold it to the center crease and press the paper down. And here we go. This is what I have. I fold this part of the paper out, right? And you can see this part of the paper is pop up. That is what I want. Okay. pull it up. Just pull it up. And press down the paper. Now we have a very weird shape of the plan. Why I do that? Because I'm designing the plan for the cool, awesome shape of it. I'm not designing the paper airplane for a long distance. Okay. Next step, I will flip the paper over. Look at this. This is what we have, right? On this side of the paper, I will match this upper edge to the edge right here. Okay. I press the paper down. This is what I have for this side of the plan. I am going to repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Make sure that both edges are lined up. Okay. If it is not easy, you can turn the paper like I have done and now fix this. Okay, here we go. So this is what we have. Okay. And now I can fold this part of the paper backward. Alright. You may need to adjust it a little bit. Okay. Alright, now I fold this part of the paper to the other side. And this side of the paper airplane, I fold out to create the wings. Okay. You can leave a small distance between the crease to the edge. This is about half an inch. You can just fold normally like I'm doing right now. And then I just flip the paper this way. Repeat the same fold. Alright. And fold backward. And now open the paper. Flip it over. For this one to this side. Okay. Now we can do something more. Okay. I want to make it look cooler, so I start from this edge and forward to the edge that we just make. Now I have a cool looking head of the plant. Alright. And I repeat the same for the opposite side. Just fold it. Look at what I have now. Very cool looking blend. Let me feel to see if it can fly. Okay, so this looks pretty cool, right? And I have a strong feeling this plane will fly pretty well. Of course, it's not a long distance plane. Alright, so we finished the head of the plane. We finished the tail of the plane. Let's do one more step. You see this point and the intersection of this edge and the layer above. Use this intersection as a reference to fold the first stabilizer. Okay. Here we go. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Okay, next step, just fold the paper in half. Right. And I can use this upper edge as a reference to create the first wing. Then I'll just fold it down to create the first wing. Okay. So I can fold more a bit. Okay. So again, let me say it again. Let me correct it. Instead of using this upper edge as a reference to fold the wings, I can just start from this tip and estimate about 1 inch along this edge to fold the wing. Okay. And I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Here we go. Let me put up. So I fix this. Oh, this one I need to fold it back in again. Okay. Okay guys, so before I fly the plane, let me curve the end of the wings up just a little bit. And here we go. This is a new paper airplane, and it should fly very well indoor. But don't ever test it outdoor for a long distance because you will be disappointed. The plane is not designed for long distance. This is designed for the cool looking shape. And it looks really cool, right? And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. The cool thing about this plane is you can use this one as the stand for the plane. So I can put it down like this. Okay, it looks really cool. But if you want it fly, you have to fold it back in. Okay, fold it back in, careful. Okay, let's see, press this down. So stay nice. Alright, so here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Alright guys, so the paper airplane is completed. It looks really cool, but when you throw the plane, it doesn't fly anywhere. This is about 1 meter from you, 3 feet away from you. That sucks, right? That's fine. Alright, so our goal is to make a plane that looks cool and fly. If it's look cool and it doesn't fly, we need to fix it. I just want to give this opportunity to show you how to fix a plane that doesn't fly. Okay, in this case, this plane needs a little bit fixing. Alright, so I'll hold the paper airplane up, and now I will show you the next step to have the plane fly. I'll flatten the paper airplane, and I fold the head of the plane down straight like this. Okay, and now I can fold the paper in half again. Notice that this doesn't look very cool. Okay, that is okay because we're not going to make a long distance paper airplane, so things like this I just let this go. And I can fold the wings back again for this side, and I fold the wings back again for the other side. Here we go. Flatten the wings, hold the plane up. It still look really cool, right? And I will place the paper airplane down again. And here you go. This is the final form of the plane, and with this form the plane can fly for a short distance inside the house. Alright, so thank you for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.